right, boys and girls, so for today's math, we are still measuring. And just like yesterday when I said we don't have cubes to measure things with, but I want you to find something at your house, just something small. Yesterday I used paper clips, you could use Lego blocks, you could use erasers, whatever you have. Anything will work, just as long as you understand what you're doing. So for today, we are doing lesson 12-4. We're going to continue to measure length. Now, today I'm going to use Post-it notes to measure. So I want to see how many Post-it notes long this paper is. Cole, how many Post-it notes do you think will fit here?
Probably like 4.
Okay, Cole thinks 4. Let's see if it's 4 Post-it notes long. Remember, we don't overlap whatever we're measuring with.
Oh.
Whoops.
I probably need a lot of.
There's 1.
See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We'll see. I think your guess is pretty close. 2. 3. I think you were right. How did you figure that out?
It was just right.
It was just right.
Yeah.
So our paper is 4 Post-it notes long. So I could say it's about 4. I'll draw a Post-it notes long.
Oh,
Alright, can you scoot back? Almost done.
I'm gonna go
Now
get Jay.
Now I want to see how long our book is. Let's do this way. What do you think? Let's do 1, 2. Oops, they're kind of overlapping. That's what this lesson, it doesn't have to be exact. That's why you'll notice that all of the answers, it says about so many cubes long. So there's 3. I'd say probably 3.5 or close to 4. So for today's lesson, it says to find an object in your classroom and measure that length with cubes. If you want to use a ruler, use a shoestring, use a piece of yarn, anything you want. And I'm sure you don't have, like number 2 says measure a desk. You don't have a desk. If you want to measure your kitchen table, or if you have a little table in your room, you can measure your little table. Your calendar, you can find a calendar, or any piece of paper really would work. I just want you guys to know how you can measure and see how long a certain object is. So for today, you're going to do pages 686 and 687. So we are just zooming right through this math. So tomorrow we're gonna wrap up our chapter on measuring actually. So we are just flying right through. So I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing how you measured. Bye.